Good morning, student. This is the final video of chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. In this video, we are going to discuss about the refraction by spherical lenses, that is concave lens या convex lens. So here I am going to define the lens. The lens is a transparent material bound by two surfaces of which one या both surfaces are spherical form a lens. Lenses are many types, so we are here only concentrated over the two type of lens, convex lens and concave lens. So first of all, what is the convex lens? This is the convex lens. Actually it is the biconvex lens, as this is double convex lens and it is bound by two spherical surfaces. Here this is spherical surface one and this is another spherical surfaces, okay, and these surfaces curve outward. Here this lens is thicker at middle and thinner at the edges. ये दोनों एज अप एंड डाउन पर थिन है और मिडिल में मोटा है, ओके. नेक्स्ट, concave lens. Concave lens is just opposite to the convex lens. This is also a double concave lens actually, and they are bound by two spherical surfaces and these two surfaces are curved inward. ये inwardly curve है like this, okay. It is thin at the middle, ये middle में thin है, and thicker at the edges, okay. Such lenses या concave lens is a diverging lens. It diverges the light parallel to the principal axis when fall on it. It diverges the ray, okay. But convex lens is a converging lens. It concentrates the ray of light which is fall parallel to the principal axis, okay. Next, some terms related with these lenses. Actually these two lenses are the form of two part of a two sphere. Suppose this is the convex lens and this surface is a part of first sphere, okay. This and this surface is part of second sphere. That is why each sphere has its center. Suppose this is the sphere of first, this is the center of first sphere, this is the center of second sphere, okay. So there are two center of curvature, C1 and C2, because there are two curved surfaces. So this is the curved surface of first sphere and its center of curvature is C1 here, and this is the curve of second sphere which center is there, C2, okay. And line joining these two centers are known as प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ये लाइन जो बीच में है ये दोनों सेंटर को ज्वाइन करता है, वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है. These centers are out from the lens. It is not a part of lens. ये दोनों सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर लेंस के पार्ट नहीं है, ओके. एंड लाइन ज्वाइनिंग दिस सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, okay, at the center of lens is known as optical center O. This is the optical center O. ये लेंस का पार्ट है. Optical center O is a lens of part. This verb F1 is it is the principal focus. Okay, this is the principal focus. नेक्स्ट देखिए आप, principal focus and focal length. We are going to understand what is the principal focus and focal length. Suppose a lens this is the convex lens. When many parallel beam of light, okay, refracted by this lens, this light come from infinity, okay, parallel to the principal axis, and these all light refracted and meet at a point, and this point is known as principal focus f. Distance between principal focus and optical center is known as focal length. This is the f, this is the focal length. Okay, आप से समझ लीजिए. So suppose this is the convex lens and this is the principal axis, this is the optical center O. Suppose several parallel ray of light incident on this lens, and after refraction it passes through a point, and this point is known as focus, and this is known as f2. This is the principal focus, and distance between principal focus and optical center is known as focal length. Okay, it is clear. This is the 2f2 या c2 center, second center of curvature. Next, focal length, principal, these all are the, in case of concave lens, this is the concave lens here. When light from infinity incident parallel to the principal axis, okay, and it diverge through this way, this ray diverge through this ray, and this ray, when we move backward, this ray appear to meet at a point f1. This is the f1, and this is the principal focus of concave lens. Okay, distance between principal focus and optical center O will be its focal length, small f. Okay, now rules for the tracing images from images formed by spherical lens. So first is, when ray parallel to the principal axis incident on convex या concave mirror, concave lens, convex lens, concave lens, it bend and passes through the principal focus f. Okay, this is the rule for convex lens. This is the rule for convex lens. If ray parallel to the principal axis incident on this way and it diverges through this direction, and it appear to, if we move it backwardly, it passes through appear to pass from principal focus f backwardly. Okay, similarly like this, और ये भी पीछे करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा. So array parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it pass through the principal focus. This is the first rule. Second rule is, this is the second rule, array light passing through the focus या principal focus, after refraction it from the convex mirror lens will emerge parallel to the principal focus. Okay, suppose this ray of light, one second, this is the convex lens, this ray of light is passed through the principal focus f. After refraction it become parallel to the principal axis. Similarly, in case of concave lens, this is the principal axis, array incident, okay, parallel to the incident to the principal axis. Suppose this is the principal focus, and after refraction it become parallel to the principal axis, okay. This is the second. Next, this one is, okay. So third rule is a ray light passing through the optical center of one lens will emerge without any deviation if a ray, देखें, suppose this is the convex lens, okay, and if ray passing through the optical center O, it will pass emerge without deviation, okay. If a lens is a concave lens, if ray passing through the optical center O, it passing through same the way without deviation, getting deviation, okay. These three rule is important for the formation of images by the lens. So formation of image by, first formation of image by convex lens, okay. Convex lens form same number of images as formed by convex mirror. convex mirror जितना इमेज फॉर्म करता है उतना ही कनकेव लेंस भी फॉर्म करता है. तो देयर विल बी आल्सो 6 पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट को 6 पोजीशन पर रख करके आप डिफरेंट टाइप के इमेजेस बना सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट, इफ वी कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट एट इन्फिनिटी, अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट को इन्फिनिटी रखते हैं तो इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड एट प्रिंसिपल फोकस f2. सपोज an object is here and it kept infinity, at infinity a ray parallel to the principal axis, okay. After refraction it passes through the principal focus, focus and images will be formed at principal focus f2. The image will be the real, inverted, highly diminished point size, and point size, okay. So मैग्नीफाइंग लेंस को आकर्षण का पिक्चर को आप पेपर पर फोकस करेंगे तो इस तरह का इमेज बनेगा, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, रियल, इन्वर्टेड. रियल बिकॉज आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन these real refracted ray actually meet at f2, okay. Next, if we keep the ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड 2f2 या c1, ये c1 से और पीछे रखते हैं तो क्या होगा, देयर विल बी एन इमेज इज फॉर्म. सपोज अ रे पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, if after refraction it passes through the principal focus, okay, and another ray which is passes through the optical center O. These two ray meet at this point between f2 and 2f2, ये f2 and 2f2 के बीच में मिल रहा है. So these ray intersect at this position, that is why image will be real, inverted means ulta, diminished, it is smaller than object, and formed between f2 and 2f2. Third one is here position of object. If we keep the object at 2f1 that is c1, अगर c1 पर रखते हैं तो क्या होगा, सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट ab kept at 2f1, here a ray from object parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus, and second ray which is incident at the optical center. These two ray after refraction meet at this point, and it is image विच इज रियल इन्वर्टेड हैविंग सेम साइज एज दैट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। ये जितना बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट है उतना ही बड़ा सेम साइज बनेगा। इन्वर्टेड का मतलब उल्टा बनेगा। एंड इट इज फॉर्म्ड एट 2F2 या सेकेंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। ओके, अब थर्ड वन देखिए, फोर्थ पोजीशन पर क्या है। सपोज पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट अब क्या रख रहे हैं, बिटवीन F1 and 2F1, between F1 and 2F1. Similarly here a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection, incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection, it passes through the principal focus. And suppose another ray which is directed towards the center, optical center of lens, and these two rays meet at the here point A dash. So nature of image will be the real inverted, real वास्तविक, inverted मतलब उल्टा, enlarge मतलब बड़ा, magnify, and it is formed beyond 2F2, ये C2 से या beyond 2F2 से दूर बनेगा और पीछे बनेगा। ओके, सेकेंड फिफ्थ पोजीशन अब देखते हैं। पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज एट F1 मतलब प्रिंसिपल फोकस पर रखना है, F1। ओके, तो व्हाट विल हैपन इफ अ पैरेलल रे रिफ्रैक्टेड थ्रू द प्रिंसिपल फोकस F, another ray which is also incident towards the optical center. So these two rays appear to meet at infinity. That is why image will also be formed real, inverted, highly enlarged, बहुत बड़ा, and formed at infinity. ये इमेज जो है वो अनंत पर बनेगा, इन्फिनिटी पर बनेगा, ऐसा महसूस होगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट सिक्स पोजीशन देखिए, पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को बिटवीन प्रिंसिपल फोकस एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर O, ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और प्रिंसिपल फोकस के बीच में यहाँ रख दें, तो देन व्हाट विल हैपन। सिमिलरली if a ray parallel to the principal axis, it refracted through the principal focus, and another ray which is passes through the optical center. अब हम इसको बैक ले जाएं तो ये सारे रेज पीछे में मिलेंगे और एक वर्चुअल इमेज बनाएंगे एट, ये पीछे बनेगा 2F1 के पीछे बनेगा। सो दिस इज द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय कन्वेक्स लेंस। इट इज वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, enlarged and on the same size as that of object, या लेंस के सेम साइड में बनाएगा। तो दिस इज ओनली द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट वेयर वर्चुअल इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड विच इज enlarged and erect. वर्चुअल इमेज ऑलवेज विल बी इरेक्ट। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम अब इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाई concave lens. Concave lens, image formed by concave lens. Okay, a concave lens always gives a virtual, erect and diminished image of any object irrespective of their position. मतलब पोजीशन ऑब्जेक्ट का कुछ भी हो, ये छोटा डिमिनिस्ड वर्चुअल इमेज ही बनाएगा। ओके, जैसे कि कन्वेक्स लेंस बनाता है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट पोजीशन में आप देखें, इफ वी कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट एट इन्फिनिटी, सपोज करें ऑब्जेक्ट को हम इन्फिनिटी में रख दें, यहाँ से लाइट सब पास हो रहा है, तो अरे व्हेन इंसिडेंट ऑन द concave lens parallel to the principal axis, it refracted through this way, it refracted through the this way. If we keep backward motion, then what will happen, the image will be appear to form at F1, वो F1 पर इमेज बनेगा, बनता होगा ऐसा, ये दिस इज वर्चुअल इमेज। तो इमेज विल बी वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, बहुत छोटा होगा, पॉइंट साइज। ओके, एंड फॉर्म्ड एट द फोकस, ये इमेज जो है वो फोकस F पर बनेगा, यहाँ पर बनेगा। ओके, बैकवर्ड अगर मूव कराएंगे तो। नेक्स्ट देखें, पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट अगर दूसरा पोजीशन क्या है, बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ओ। अब ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ओ और इन्फिनिटी के बीच में रख दें, व्हाट विल हैपन हियर ऑब्जेक्ट। तो ऑब्जेक्ट अरे पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट appear to pass through the principal focus, ऐसे लगता है पीछे बैकवर्ड करेंगे। एंड सेकेंड रे which is directed towards the optical center, these two ray cut at this point and image will also be formed a virtual erect but diminished, छोटा थोड़ा सा छोटा होगा, and formed between f1 and optical center O. So these all are the image formed by concave mirror as well as concave lens and convex lens. Okay, now lens formula. Okay, lens formula and magnification. मैग्निफिकेशन का फार्मूला और लेंस का फार्मूला। यहाँ पर मिरर के अपोजिट यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 बाई v, दिस इज v इज इमेज डिस्टेंस माइनस 1 बाई u इज ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, इट इज इक्वल टू द f। ये मिरर से जस्ट अपोजिट है, मिरर में प्लस होता है, ये साइन प्लस होता है मिरर में, और यहाँ पर निगेटिव साइन है, ये ध्यान रखना है। नेक्स्ट, अब नेक्स्ट है मैग्निफिकेशन। ओके, मैग्निफिकेशन m। मैग्निफिकेशन m इज व्हाट, इट इज द हाइट रेशियो बिटवीन रेशियो ऑफ द हाइट ऑफ इमेज टू द ऑब्जेक्ट। तो हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज सपोज it is h dash and height of object is it is h, so m is equal to h dash divided by h, or it is also related with object distance and image distance. So m is also it is equal to the object distance divided by image distance divided by object distance u. So m is equal to v upon u. Okay, so negative sign of m and h dash, that is height of image, will always show the real and inverted image. Okay, next देखते हैं power of lens। power of lens p, it is the ability of the lens to converge diverge the ray of light falling on it, या you can say power of lens is the reciprocal of its focal length f. So p is equal to 1 by f, this is small f is focal length, p is power. So where p is power of lens and f is focal length, so SI unit of power is diopter, this is the diopter D, कैपिटल D। ओके, ये आता है डिफाइन करने के लिए, इसका SI यूनिट लिखने के लिए। सो अब देखिए, इफ डायोप्टर कब यूनिट होगा, इफ वी टेक द लेंथ ऑफ फोकस लेंथ इज इन मीटर, अगर हम लेंथ को मीटर में लेते हैं तभी ये डायोप्टर में होगा। So 1 diopter is the power of a lens where focal length is 1 meter। अगर किसी लेंस का फोकल लेंथ 1 मीटर हो तो उसका पावर 1 डायोप्टर होगा। तो जनरली हम मीटर में अगर लेंगे फोकल लेंथ तो डायोप्टर में आएगा। तो हम यूजुअली फोकल लेंथ इन न्यूमेरिकल्स हैज़ बीन गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर, ये सेंटीमीटर में दिया होता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है बच्चों को, तो इसलिए आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। P इज इक्वल टू 100 डिवाइड बाई f, इसमें आप सेंटीमीटर लिख दीजिए। अगर f को सेंटीमीटर में दिया हुआ है तो 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखिए, पावर ऑफ कन्वेक्स लेंस विल बी पॉजिटिव and as its focal length will be positive, and power of concave lens is negative as its focal length is negative. अब power of combination of lenses in contact is equal to the algebraic sum of individual power। मान लीजिए इंडिविजुअल पावर किसी का एक पावर लेंस, किसी लेंस का पावर P1 है, दूसरे का P2 है, तीसरे का P3 है, तो टोटल जोड़ेंगे नेट पावर तो P इज इक्वल टू P1 प्लस P2 प्लस P3 प्लस 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 करते जाइए, तो एल्जेब्रिक सम होगा. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट